How to deactivate Messenger account. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can deactivate your Messenger account, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to deactivate your Messenger account, all you have to do is go ahead, make sure to launch the Messenger application here. Once you launch the Messenger app, tap the three lines option from here and then just tap the gear icon, which is the settings cog icon. Scroll down, go to Meta Account Center here, and then from here just go to personal details, then go to account ownership and control, go to deactivation or deletion, select your Facebook account and then just select deactivate instead of delete. Once you've done that, tap on continue and then make sure to follow all the instructions such as entering your password and so on. Once you've done that, your Messenger account will get successfully deactivated. This way you'll be able to deactivate your Messenger account. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you soon in our next video.